Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve commercial auto insurance with Progressive, beginner guide step by step clearly. When looking to improve your commercial auto insurance with Progressive, start by evaluating your current coverage. Review your policy details to understand your existing coverage limits and exclusions. Identify the specific needs of your business, such as the types of vehicles and operating conditions. Gather data on your vehicle usage, including mileage, driving routes, and any special equipment. Visit Progressive's official website or contact an agent for personalized assistance. Utilize the online quote tool to compare coverage options and pricing. Ensure you input accurate information about your vehicles and driving history. Take advantage of Progressive's discounts, such as Safe Driver and bundling discounts. Consider increasing your deductible to lower your premium, if financially feasible. Evaluate your liability coverage limits based on state requirements and your business assets. Inquire about additional coverages like cargo insurance, rental reimbursement, or roadside assistance. Review the claims process to ensure you're familiar with how to file a claim efficiently. Ask about usage-based insurance programs if your vehicles are driven less frequently. Schedule regular reviews of your policy, especially as your business grows or changes. Keep a record of any changes in your business that might affect your insurance needs. Consult with an insurance professional if you have questions or need clarification on your coverage options. With these steps, you'll be better equipped to improve your commercial auto insurance with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.